Hello everyone, welcome to today's Train Sim Wildfire first look video. Today we are in the Avanti West Coast Pendalino on the West Coast Mainline south route, because you do have the other West Coast Mainline route by just trains. Nice. Well, that's that done. Let's do all of this. Why? Okay, right. Why is there no self-test? Why are these safety systems not going off? Is it one of these? I don't know, someone please let me know why that's the case. Oh look, we got another one in. We got another Pendalino. Cut out, and another one over there. We got a couple of 350s, even a 710. We've got 350 in the former London Midland colour scheme, because I own a couple of, well, I have a couple of liveries installed from the Creators Club. VT9. Is that Virgin Trains? Nice, if it is. Right, currently in neutral. I can get doors closed soon. But yeah, this DLC is currently 30% off. Oh, there goes 350. And yeah, look, there's the livery. The route is 30% off in the UK regional edition, and the Pendalino is 30% off, so I managed to save £10 when I got these two. And I also bought the HKA Hopper Wagon pack for $4.49, sorry, because I have Xbox Game Pass. There we go, nice. Turns and tasks going on. Next stop is Milton Keynes, and this service will actually stop at Milton Keynes, because I don't like the fact that you can drive some services that in real life wouldn't stop at Milton Keynes. Slow, it takes a while to get away. If you do own this route and you're on PC, I'd recommend getting the enhancement pack for it, because it looks great to me. Get the Network Rail new measurement train if you own some other products. And you get, what else was it? How many notches of power does this have? 4, okay. Good to know. Coming out of London, Euston, we're going over to the far left hand side. It's currently Thursday the 16th of January as recording this, by the way. Don't know if that's relevant, but the sales should be there. Sorry if you can hear the dogs barking outside. You can hear the sales will be here till the brakes are nice, until the 28th of January. So we're doing a bit of wrong line running with the X. I didn't hear AWS go off. Why is that not on? It's not on there. Look, I don't know what I need to do. Do I need to open up these fuses? What's that one? There we go. That's what it was. Nice. Okay, so we got AWS now. Where was the DSD one? Yeah, okay, that should all be working now. So if you're wondering to turn on AWS, as I just found out, you have to turn it on the fuse box. A bit laggy as we're coming out of Houston. I am on a Xbox Series S, by the way, for this, which I don't think has any hidden timetable there is, but there is meant to be a couple of rail tours. I don't know why they weren't included with the big update, but it's better than what it was when it first released. Because I did play it when it first released, and my god, it wasn't very mainliney, let's say that, although last time I played it, it was without the Pendalino as well. So we'll see how that changes things, going up to 50 miles an hour. Is this where there's some carriage sidings yet? And there's a couple of tunnels. Yeah, this service will be going off to Edinburgh. A couple of 350s. All the London North Western Railway branded liveries, by the way, aren't included in the game as of yet. So like this one, that's included with the game, but it's not branded. As well, all of these are branded actually. Oh no, that one's not. That one's got its former London Midland colour scheme on. Right, now we're probably getting some acceleration. Should we get a screenshot of the tilt? Nah, that's not a great place to get a screenshot. That might be better though. Oh yeah. Nice. Yes. If you guys want, what was the ideal time period you guys want to see this route in? Because I'm quite happy with how it is now in the current time period, but maybe you wanted it in a different time period. And if you did, let me know in the comments on which time period. Did you want it in the same time period as West Coast Mainline Shap by just trains, which is a brilliant route from what I've heard. I don't intend to get it just yet until it at least goes on sale, but I'll let you know. 15 miles an hour, sorry, going up to 55 now. So we'll speed up. Nice. That's slowing down. But yeah. 55 miles an hour. Here we go, Milton Keynes, roundabout land. Here we come. What's down here? I know before you didn't really see much 710s and Bakerloo stock, so we'll look out for them. But this station looks nice. A couple of orange men there that we should have really honked for, but oh well. Is this a good place for a screenshot? This is where they've done some of their teaser shots. Oh yeah, nice. Sorry, we will take quite a few screenshots today, I've got a feeling. Nice. Working a service to Edinburgh, where I believe you can now see this. You can see this at Edinburgh on the Edinburgh-Glasgow route. Yeah, let's speed up to 80, and up to 100 soon enough. No calling at Watford Junction, because only the Blackpool services that I know of do that, and it's drop-off only. Sip of tea there. I did start a Blackpool video, a London Euston to Blackpool North, so we could stop at Watford Junction, but it was at like 7 in the morning and it was pitch black. Yeah, it's 17th of January, so I record this. Speed has gone up to 100 miles an hour, so let's accelerate there and then set speed set. A couple of Bakerloo stock at Queen's Park. I didn't realise just how far south Queen's Park was on the west coast. Yeah, it's just here. 12-4 Bakerloo stock. There's a couple of ones there. Doing about 80 miles an hour, and it will soon come up to 120. Bit of lag as we go through here, and as a 350 comes past, but this is where all the stock is. Yeah, this is sheer mess. I think there was a London North Western branded livery on that. Which, yeah, I don't often use Creator Scribe because often you see liveries too many times, but for the London North Western Railway Class 350, it is good to have. 100. Can we speed set? No, that's so great. Speed set. No, it shouldn't go faster than that. And now we can speed set off. Oh, there's a load of stuff. Well, when I say a load, I mean 4 car 710, yeah. And is that another 4 car 710? Let's not fly about too much. Do you want to actually see what's in stock? And there's some EPS units on here, because if you're a tilting train, that means you can go faster, because you're better around the curves, basically. Up to 120. There we go. There's double yellow signal, not for us though. Alarm and launch. There's the Wembley Arch. And I think this is where Southern service is coming. Because the only place I've train spotted here. Oh, what's that over there? The only place I've train spotted along this route, on this channel, anyway. Whoa, loads of HOAs and HKAs. Yeah, the only place I've train spotted along this route, on this game, in real life I suppose, is at Bushy. So I wonder how realistic the scene it will be when we get to Bushy. This is my first West Coast Mainline South video when I'm talking. So if you like that, and you have stayed in to this video for 11 minutes now, massive thank you. Please like and subscribe. This is, where's this? What is this? Wembley Central, makes sense, near Wembley Stadium. Right, we'll speed set when we get to 125. There we go, and there's a Bakerloo stock. Look how massive this channel is. No interlock needed. Train length from right. Oh, I like how it's got some of the sticker pulled off. That's quite nice. AWS, DSD. Oh, I like how it's got quite a few scuff marks. Pendalino in real life probably would. And there's a. Is that far? It is nice. Yeah, from Suffrage Jetman, you see what DC services, and you get to see this 5-car train, which you can't actually drive on Suffragette Line, but you can drive on here if you own a Suffragette Line. Let's not jump out the camera because the game's struggling to load as it is. Like, what's going on there? 350's missing for you. Well, that might be a Creators Code problem or a memory problem. Oh, that was a person flying on the track. There's Harrow Euston. Bakerloo line train in the head shunt there. Right, so we have the head shunt at, is it Euston? Yeah, Euston. I don't know what that is, if that's DSD or TAS. I wonder how many 66s we'll see today, if any. It would be quite nice to see a few of them. I'm just going to pull a wire out here quickly for my steering wheel, just so I don't knock it while trying to respond to AWS. Yeah, not 35 miles from Milton Keynes at this moment in time. Not long to go. Oh, I'm just going to move on my chair. Oh, there's another Pendalino. Quick as a flash it was over, there's an orange man and the box. And what's wrong with the box? Who knows? Well, I can tell you who knows, certainly not me. There's a 710 Ventra going up to, has it really been 15 minutes since we passed the last northbound one? Well, 15 minutes for them, about 5 minutes for us. Is this, no this is not Bushy, Bushy's a bit further up. Bushy is sort of, Bushy's that one there, where it cycles off. And is that a bit of AI on the thingy? So yeah, the Abbey branch. And there's another Pendalino racing southbound, and it comes down to 110 rather quickly, so let's get it down to 110. I should really be paying more attention, but it's the first look video, so what can you expect? There we go, speed set is on. So we shouldn't accelerate more than what we are now. 80 through bush on the slow lines, is it really? No, no. Right, hopefully speed set doesn't mean we go over. Yeah, because we saw a 56 come down there. It'd be nice if we can see that in the game. This is the furthest north I've ever been on the West Coast Mainline, albeit in real life or in a game. High Street's just over there somewhere, where the 602 terminates, which would be one of my local routes to that area of Watford by Uno Bus. Fantastic bus operator, I must say. There's quite a bit of lag on this route. Hello driver, but there is a lot of tracks at Watford. So yeah, now that we've sort of left, it's fine. 50. Oh, there's a 66. Not moving very fast. Maybe that's a quick change. Oh, no, it's approaching away. Because the Southern's gone out in front of it. Soon we'll get the cargo line volume 3 and 4 intermodal and military, which would be nice. I don't think I'm going to bother unsetting the speed set until the 125 limit. And we should be in Milton Keynes in about 20 minutes time. Oh, and it's only an EPS speed limit. You can still see the speed no matter how dark it is, which is nice. Yeah, wonder what intermodal and military will add to this route. I mean, we don't have much of a military here in the UK, but I'm sure it will add something. Right, let's pass the 125. Then I'll set the speed set. There. Pretty good guess there. We are going uphill as well. First station north of Watford is Kings Langley. Doing 115 miles an hour. Couple of tones there. I hope you can't hear the game audio twice through my earphone and through game, because hopefully you can just hear it through the game and not through my earphone. But every world's not an ideal world. 20 minutes in practically, 18 on my screen. If you are enjoying, be sure to drop a like on it and put your notifications on so you never miss another upload. And if you stay in this job, hopefully you're even subscribed to 124-ish. And that is the speed set enabled. Not far to go now. Yeah, it's not as good as, say, East Coast Mainline South would be in my opinion. But it's not sort of, it's busier than the Midland Mainline, but it's quieter than the East Coast Mainline, and there's less variety on it. Although there's a lot more freight services on the West Coast than there is the East Coast. Passengers on the fast ones, not good, not good. That would be a cause for concern in real life, I do believe. There's a footbridge that you'd have to trespass to get on. Not long till Milton Keynes. Temporary till former London North Western Casting. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to turn some of these greatest club liveries off, because you could just see that one was meant to be a 12 car, but the back carriages hadn't loaded. What station's this? Hemel Hempstead. So that's Hemel Hempstead bus station, I do presume. What are these? Those... Right, but they're not nice, whatever they are. Oh, we had a loading screen, which was displaying all the Xbox sales, yeah. 30% off the 380, 70% off the Brighton Mainline, 50% off the Suffragette line, 30% off the Pendalino, 30% off all regional editions, 30% off the Flix Train Vectron. I couldn't think of what else was there, or what else was on sale, and how much it was on sale for. But Great Western Express is £4, 99 pence, which is a banging little deal. God, these safety systems are catching me out. Clicking my fingers. Right, 16 minutes now until we are at Milton Keynes. I'm sort of just twiddling my thumbs, sort of waiting for it, because it's a little bit of a quieter run. Bear in mind it is 10 to 3, or 5 to 3, sorry, in the afternoon. It is 3 in the afternoon if you want to say that. That would be a lot simpler. It's 100 for non-EPS, 100 for EPS. I would save, but I'm scared of crashing. Yeah, so as we come through Berkhamsted and Tring, which is a 40-minute run in the London North Western. That one loaded in, but it was stopped, so I guess at that time. But yeah, we'll go again later. Well, for you guys, most probably the next day or maybe the evening. Oh look, we're even catching up to 350. And I'll uninstall the Creator Club ovaries and see if that changes anything, or if it is just the Xbox Series S is memory, which might be the case. There's a London North Western livery at the front. I feel like I've got a delayed reaction to safety systems now, especially because of how I have an earphone in, so the noise cancelling is quite good, so I can barely hear anything. But what's this? This train consists of 11 vehicles and is fitted with selective door operation, SDO, equipment which applies automatically, ASDO. At the following locations in direction of travel, rear 2 vehicles inhibited at Coventry 4 up and down, rear 2 vehicles inhibited at Haymarket platform 3, rear 2 vehicles inhibited at Haymarket platform 4, rear 3 inhibited at Rugby 6 up and down, rear 3 vehicles inhibited at Wilmslow 2 up and down. Nice. I realise we haven't seen any scenery, but here's Tring. Any of you from this area? What's around there? I heard there's not much around there apart from the museum, but sounds nice. Tring. Oh yeah, look at that. Going all blurry due to memory. There's a 350. Not fully loaded in yet. We'll get rid of some of those Creator Club deliveries, and yeah, that should help. 13 minutes to Milton Keynes. But hopefully we should get there a bit early, especially with the fact we are doing 125 miles an hour. Which, by the way, having the speed set is so nice, because in real life the Azumers have speed set, but they don't in the game. Or maybe the 801s don't, in general. Some companies have 800s with speed set, and it'd be so nice one day to have them, so you couldn't go higher than a certain speed in the Azuma, because you'll just be holding a 125. Nice, simple, relaxed run. It is just 125 the whole way, from what it looks like. Unless we turn the pantograph off, which I've just seen the button for. There's a bridge, a very small bridge. There's a bit bigger of a bridge. Yellow signal going northbound. Is it red signal next? What's at platform 1? Are we catching up to a freight train maybe? Oh, beep, 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 beep. Tilt not available. not involved. That's how that says. Pantograph not housed. Sorry, pantograph not involved. Jesus Christ. 14 miles now to Milton Keynes. If you have stayed for this long, then thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to watch these videos. Is that Leighton Buzzard? No, not Leighton Buzzard. Cheddington. Same difference, I suppose. What's that? The rear end of a Class 66. Nice. As we approach to just under 10 miles from Milton Keynes. Milton Keynes Central Platform 6 is our platform. And as here we go past a freight train. There's a decent bit of freight on this route. I don't know if those intermodal wagons are included in the route, but we'll see. I know the DB Cargo 66 is. There's nothing Pendalino. Hello. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You look like an 11 car to me. Oh, neutral section coming up. So take the power off. I mean, it won't affect that Class 66, but it does affect us. 10 minutes to Milton Keynes now. So it should be about 36-minute video. Driven 39 miles in the Class 390. I wonder if it will make us drive 390 miles to get the next achievement. In theory, anyway. Yeah, I quite like this. This train's nice to drive. Where's that? There's a pair of 350s sat there. Waiting for the southbound trip. Where are they? These are from Milton. Well, no, it's probably not from Milton Keynes. It's probably up somewhere further. This is Leighton Buzzard. Right. Whoa. Continuing on through that tunnel, nice bit of tilt going on. 9 Sierra 80 is our head code, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that at the start. London, Euston to Edinburgh. It's a long way to go on a Pendalino, I'll tell you that much. It's what, most probably 4 or 5 hours. Did they reverse at Glasgow Central, or did they go somewhere else through Glasgow? Let me know. Hazard lights. What are you going to do? Thank someone for letting you across the junction. 7 miles now to Milton Keynes, so not long now. I don't know if that neutral section about I'm going to put the power back on. I hope the speed set will still hold us at 125. If not, I'll actually no, I probably will have to manually redo it. Speed set, I'm ready. Speed set on, sorry to concentrate there for a second. I'm waiting it to go to 124 or 125, 6 miles now to Milton Keynes. So we'll probably start braking at about, just to be cautious, we'll say 1.2 miles. Drop it in, brake step 3. Or maybe we'll do 1.5 and we'll sort of increase the brake gradually. Another pair of 350s, but it looks like that one's not. That one was loaded. Yep. And yeah, the Xbox Series S can't really handle this because of all the memory it swallows. 5 miles now. But Coming ever closer, the last few miles have gone by in a flash. I reckon doing this route from north to south is a lot nicer than doing it south to north. Because the first 10 minutes are really interesting and the rest seems really dull in comparison. But I reckon going the other way it would be like the complete opposite. And then here is most probably the last station before Milton Keynes, Bletchley. Trains going all over the place. Right, I think I'm going to save here. Look at that, right on the speed limit. People waiting on the fast tracks at Bletchley, even like nothing will stop there. And there's a pair of London North Western Railway class 350s. And there's a single London North Western Railway class 350. And I'm going to turn all power off. And let the train slow down by itself for a bit. 2.5 miles now to Milton Keynes. Disappointing not to see some of the HKA services, but it is what it is. We'll utilise that some other time. Double yellow signal, so let's actually get a bit of braking on for that. 2 miles to go, let's start slowing down for Milton Keynes Central, the last stop on this journey. If you have enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's actually get a bit more braking in this step 4. Right. Milton Keynes Central is a place where you'll never get lost. And I'll show you what I mean by that. I'm going to take a bit of brake off. Actually, no, we're doing about 70, we need to slow down a bit more than that. I reckon we can take a bit of brake off when we get to about 45. Because we don't want to trip TPWS, so we'll actually keep it till about here and then take a bit off. You can see the Newton forces there. Brake effect. We'll knock it down to brake 1. And we'll just take it, oh no, we'll take it off. There we go. Can't see any fishnets on the ground at this moment in time. What's north of the route? Nothing at the minute. There is something in the station though, and I don't know what it is. Right, let's start to brake. What's in the station? A dual pairing of 350s going northbound. Right, slowing down to about 50. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 signs that say Milton Keynes Central. 5, 6, 7. There's at least 8. Nah, there must be 15 here, surely, on each platform. 40 yards till we stop, and that will be the end of today's video. If you have enjoyed today's video, then make sure you like and subscribe for much more exciting TSW content coming your way in 2025. And make sure to turn your notifications on so you never miss another upload. Like the video and comment what you would like to see, any particular routes or any particular services. But that has been me for today. I'll see you all next time for some more West Coast Mainline or Cathcart Circle, whatever it may be. Goodbye. See you in a bit. Goodbye.